Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing video of the BX00 Draciel S 760D. But yeah, really happy to one of the three the bays I need for, or I just need one more for the bay breakers to be back in the collection. Words. But yeah, I'm really happy to get this and shit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I need to put the stickers on. Yeah. There we go. So I have a pretty light one. There's the 760. And there we go. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for a better look at all the stickers on it. Actually, let's see if I can get this. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, here's all the stickers. Draciel is here to stay to my collection. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.